Okay, back again in emoji keyboard. So this time I tried to change the keycaps from my ex-poker that I already sold. So this is actually the keycaps that I eventually sold. It was a YMDK carbon side print keycaps, which really looks pretty vintage. So it's really fit with this kind of old side. YMDK is pretty rare keycaps as well, because I don't know, maybe because the copy it's pretty much look like expensive keycaps, Chinese keycaps like Domi key. It's actually I bought secondhand, so it just made the keycaps even more retro look. So it has very yellowy colors, even though the color was initially already off-white. So it didn't have original spacebar because it's already warped, so it cannot be fit into the keyboard for some reason. So I decided to change it with the Keychron spacebar, which basically not really fit with the colorway, but the others seems to be different as well. The black on the carbon seems to be more grayish. Other black keycaps, I guess. Not sure. I think this is a little bit longer than usual because I'm not sure why there's one recording that I use just for testing, just failing to connect into the 6th generation USB-C hub